NPS is a customer experience metric that shows how likely clients are to recommend a given service or product. But it can be even more valuable if you perform diligent analysis of qualitative feedback. Some say that NPS doesn't provide practical data. I'm here to prove them wrong. I'm Sabina, a content manager at Survicate, a piece of software dedicated to make sure that feedback collection and interpretation is a breeze. Let's see how valuable NPS data can be for your business. Step 1. Make sure you have enough data. Determine your sample size. In most cases, it's good to have at least 100 responses. If you find that you are struggling to reach a sample size, you can supplement your NPS score with CSAT and CES open text answers. To get as much responses as you can, use the right channels to collect your data. For some brands, it makes sense to contact clients via email. Other businesses should have pop-ups on their websites, as their customers visit them regularly. If you have an app, I suggest you use mobile app surveys. Step 2. Sort your respondents into groups. The easiest way will be to sort them into promoters, passives, and detractors, of course. But if you have a lot of responses, you may want to think about other ways of segmenting your respondents, like geography, demographic, company size, or job title. You may find that most of your promoters are CEOs, while you have been targeting product managers. This may be an indicator that you should change your marketing efforts to target different audiences. Step 3. Interpret NPS data. So, you have a score. But what makes it a good score or a bad score? Of course, there is no one answer, although we attempted to find one in the video linked in the eye. But you should focus on your score changes over time and aim for growth. Then, look for actionable insights in the qualitative data you collected. Step 4. Analyzing open text answers. This is easier with Survicate, as answers will already be sorted into promoters, passives, and detractors. Let's go through the results of a company I made up 5 minutes ago. Slow fashion. Let's filter our results and have a look at what our detractors are saying first. From the word cloud, it looks like we could look into our website navigation. Some other detractors are not too happy with our pricing, so I could reach out to my developers and accounting team. Developers could work on the website design, while accounting could verify with marketing to make sure we are set on that pricing. If we change the view to our promoters, we can see that they love the product quality. Look at those buzzwords. Perhaps that is a good idea for our next social media post. I will definitely communicate this to marketing to see what we can use this for. And what are the passives saying? It looks like we could turn them into promoters by adding some product filters. Like the detractors, they're a bit confused about the website. We can even exclude some words to see the most popular phrases more clearly. Another ticket for the website design team then. Of course, these were just sample results, but we were able to get through them in minutes. Hopefully that gave you a good idea on how to use the collected NPS data to improve your product, services, and business overall. And if you want to analyze your data as easily as I did, sign up for a Survicate account. Your first survey could be up in minutes.